Everyone, and happy new year. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be focusing on some eco-friendly cleaning products, which will be something I'm going to be reviewing a lot in my channel this upcoming year. But today we're going to be focusing on the scouring pads from Minky. So if you're into eco-friendly cleaning products, this video is for you. So I'm going to be using the Minky heavy duty scouring pads. They're used from 100% recycled material. This is the first time I'm actually trying these out. Antibacterial, I've had these for some time, but I think my husband has been cleaning with them. I don't even know how good they are. So we're going to clean our stove and see how well they work. I'm going to try them out on 3 different areas in the kitchen, and I'll give a final review of what I actually think. But yeah, I think it should be fair if I try on different surfaces, so which will be pots, the stove, and a ceramic oven dish, which I think is fair because those are the main areas that we use these things on. Okay, so we're going to try it with the pink stuff, mainly the back. Our scourer, so we're going to try this with the scourer with the pink stuff to clean the back of my pots. Okay, this is what it looks like right now. I'm just gonna rinse. And there you go. Not perfect, but better than what it was. I think it's okay. It's had to put a lot of, pressure to ensure that all the stains came off compared to if I'm using a metal scourer, which I think I'd use less effort compared to when using this. So it works well, but I think on lighter stains compared to heavy duty stains. And I think this is also because I'm using the pink stuff. So the pink stuff works really well on pots and yeah, stuff like this. So overall I think it's okay, but it takes a lot of manpower to ensure all things come off, especially when I was using cleaning the pots and the oven dish. It's just too much finger finger work, so I highly recommend it for lighter stains, but I would stick to my metal scourer for most of the stuff. I'm now just focusing on cleaning the lids of the pots using fairy washing up liquid. I think it just works really well. The stains are not on the lids, they're just mainly at the bottom base of the pots. But yeah, I hope this was really helpful. And if you've come across this Minky scrubber, how have you found it? Please let me know in the comment section below. That's it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please stick around the channel if you're looking for cleaning motivation, how to clean certain things, reviews on eco-friendly products. Please stick around and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and like I mentioned, subscribe to the channel for more content. All right, that's it for me. You have a lovely day. Bye.